Colonial period and independence. Colonial Sagado Tatabli, the session where in it the Quasisa Ueda Kellet Sither Plus. Question 58. What is one reason colonists came to America? David Miller colony Hesu Americani Mimnile. Sisa freedom, political liberty, religious freedom, economic opportunity, practice their religion, escape persecution. Tatabli, Tirukathe Tatabli, Tabuta Ba Tatabli, Muklowe Kwata Kwetaya, Buto Bato Taba, Hipuplela Tama Amana. Question 59. Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived? The clue by Europa po hete dibani mataula America le. This is American Indians, Native Americans, America India, America Tulipo. Question 60. What group of people was taken to America and sold as slaves? Wapela de dula bata heso saola America di gudole. This is Africans, people from Africa, Africa po Walago Africa. Question 61. Why did the colonists fight the British? Mamnuho colony do toda eglile. This is because of high taxes, taxation without representation, because the British Army stay in their houses, boarding, quartering, because they didn't have self-government. Koplular ta kota tue a, kuthela to udokasa, Koplular eglithu ula hi talotakle, Koplular at udo akasapadu. Question 62. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Matakweta tabli alibubale. Tasisa Thomas Jefferson. Question 63. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? Tadio taught tabli alibubala akapele. Tasisa July 4, 1776. July Luido Tukto Nuya Nuisihu. Question 64. There were 13 original states. Name 3. Kosela Usopa Utsithabi Yatothabi. Tasisa New York, Virginia, Georgia. Payne Tathikwa Kitawe Tasisa the Plada Yuquelani Thila Tasisala Nyota the Plalo, Masadon Miquala Gabli Patisihuni, Cosa Cotigata Sitha Bigo Quelata Penilan Maluara or Thila. Question 65. What happened at the Constitutional Convention? Tamanumata Peta Thutot de Satable Ata Upo Padonile. Tasisa. The Constitution was written. The Founding Fathers wrote the Constitution. Bata kwe te satable. Watini tiko apa kwe te satable. Question 66. When was the Constitution written? Ta kwe te satable la akapele. Tasisa 1787. Dr. Nui ya hosi nui. Question 67. The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers. Kosa po alikwe sotwe te satable, jetopa kweta gladaga amidiki. Tasisa James Madison. Do tatikwa wei hue tasisa de plala ho ye kwenithu pakweta pua mitagalo basa pakweta ueda luigano nimikwala kabli patisinu negatini openilo. Question 68. What is one thing Benjamin Franklin is famous for? Benjamin Franklin midula tamanut mile. Tasisa U.S. diplomat, U.S. Tikomoto, Dota tikwa khiweta sisa de plala ho yu kweni te de plala Ambassador Benjamin Franklin Midula Tagi Ami Nemekwa la kabli pa te si khoni negatina o penny law. Question 69. Who is the father of our country? Batiko apa mi matale. Tasisa George Washington. Question 70. Who was the first president? Matake koku asuta regale. Tasisa George Washington. Daughter like hey neighbor malota ki kwa thoba plan wisili utira tablet tesio do thotunu ya yeta do sa radio or kha khoni bagate tor ni teta ti kwa utir phat Firiba, Pasado Lolo Kitunini, no, you could glass a Dorota di Qualotia Platasinator, we can learn, the Sibli Badobula Sotoya, Pano, the Chibadobua, Sonia Messida, who with us reply to the Cluba Bamnicula, Yetamala, her Udo, at Mini Mahakotunini, Pukasuki Donia Putanino, your sister to meet clear the with us by Tarisibasa, or delay in a Sibuti Dumala when it is software. Do you like cooler when you take a sisa way in a gabula pue, Panya Puala, or no, W.